Hey everyone, if you're looking to blast away dirt and grime with the latest technology, you're in the right place. Whether you're looking to tackle stubborn grime in your driveway, refresh your deck, or keep your car sparkling clean, an electric pressure washer is the ultimate tool to get the job done. We'll showcase the best models that combine power, efficiency, and cutting-edge features to make tough cleaning jobs a breeze. Let's explore the best electric pressure washers for 2025 if you're ready to blast through dirt and grime like a pro. HONGDONG 4500 PSI. Designed with convenience and power in mind, the HONGDONG pressure washer stands out from the crowd. One of its most notable features is the advanced spray handle, which uses a digital control system for precise adjustments. You can easily switch between different pressure levels with just a tap, allowing you to choose from 3 distinct cleaning modes. It delivers high pressure to clean stubborn grime and gentle spraying on delicate surfaces. The flexibility to adjust pressure easily makes it perfect for a variety of tasks, like cleaning driveways, vehicles, and outdoor furniture. In addition to its customizable pressure settings, this pressure washer comes equipped with 5 interchangeable nozzles, each designed for a specific cleaning purpose. These nozzles range from narrow, focused streams for targeting tough dirt in tight spaces, to wider sprays for more delicate surfaces like windows. Switching between nozzles is easy, giving you the flexibility to clean different areas efficiently. Mobility is another area where this machine truly shines. Features 4 rotating wheels, which allow you to move the washer smoothly in any direction. This 360-degree movement makes it incredibly easy to maneuver, especially when working in large areas or tight spots. The lockable wheels also add extra stability, preventing the machine from moving around when you need it to stay in place. This makes the pressure washer not only powerful, but also user-friendly, with a design that's perfect for those who need to cover a lot of ground without hassle. Safety and longevity are prioritized in this model. The total stop system, a built-in feature, automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged. This saves energy and extends the pump's life, ensuring the machine serves you well over the long term. Additionally, it includes protection against overheating, so you can confidently use it for extended cleaning sessions without worrying about damage. With a robust 1,800-watt motor, the EVEAGE 701B electric pressure washer generates an impressive 3,500 psi and 2.5 gallons per minute of water flow, making it perfect for tackling a wide range of outdoor cleaning tasks. Its electric-powered design ensures ease of use without refueling, and it is environmentally friendly, adding to its appeal for modern users. One of the key features of this pressure washer is the total stop system, which is designed for both safety and energy efficiency. This system automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged, conserving energy and extending the pump's lifespan. 20-foot-high pressure hoses cannot be overemphasized. It provides ample length for you to move around freely without repositioning the machine constantly. What's more, the onboard hose reel helps to keep the hose organized, preventing frustrating kinks and tangles, while also making it easier to store after use. Comes equipped with 4 quick connect spray tips, allowing you to adjust the water pressure based on your cleaning needs. The nozzles range from 0 degrees for high pressure focused cleaning to 40 degrees for gentle, wide coverage. Whether you need to blast away tough dirt on concrete or gently rinse off delicate surfaces, these adjustable tips provide the flexibility to customize your cleaning tasks. This pressure washer's standout feature is its mobility. With its wheeled upright trolley design, you can easily transport this pressure washer across your yard or driveway. The design also includes a mesh storage compartment on both sides to conveniently hold the spray gun, so you don't have to search for it when needed. Additionally, the cable hook keeps the electric cable organized and prevents it from becoming a tangled mess during storage. The PowRyte electric pressure washer is a powerful cleaning machine that generates up to 3,800 psi of water pressure and 2.4 gallons per minute of water flow, giving you the strength to tackle even the toughest grime quickly and easily. Its Encore pump is designed to be durable, non-corrosive, and completely maintenance-free, ensuring longevity. The added benefit of a 3-year warranty provides extra peace of mind, knowing you have a reliable product built to last. The snow foam. Lance sets this pressure washer apart from the rest, since it sprays foam directly onto surfaces instead of passing through the pump, extending its life. The thick, dense foam sticks to surfaces longer, giving you better cleaning results. The machine can handle chemicals like bleach and vinegar without damaging itself, so it's ideal for specialized cleaning tasks. The pressure washer also comes with 4 interchangeable spray tips to customize the water pressure for different cleaning tasks. The 0-degree nozzle delivers intense pressure for breaking down tough grime on hard surfaces, while the 15-degree tip is great for cleaning brick or concrete. For more delicate surfaces like wood or vinyl, the 25-degree tip provides just the right amount of pressure without damage. When it comes to fragile surfaces like windows or screens, the 40-degree nozzle delivers low pressure for safe and effective cleaning. It can draw water from a container when no water tap is available, giving you the flexibility to clean in more remote areas. With a standard garden hose connector size of 3/4 of an inch, it's simple to hook up and start cleaning wherever you need to. With a maximum pressure of between 1,650 and 2,300 psi and a flow rate of 1.4 gallons per minute, LawnMaster LT 506 delivers the strength needed to revitalize everything from decks to driveways. What makes the LawnMaster LT 506 stand out is its customizable spray options, with 3 nozzle strengths that let you adjust the water pressure based on the surface you're cleaning. For tougher jobs, like caked on mud or rust, the highest pressure setting will get the job done without a hitch. On the flip side, if you're dealing with more delicate surfaces, you can switch to a gentler spray to avoid damage. This level of control ensures that you can handle a wide variety of cleaning tasks with one tool, making it a highly versatile choice for everyday outdoor upkeep. For those who love keeping their vehicles spotless, this pressure washer comes with a foam bottle that sprays thick, aerated foam directly onto your car. This foam clings to the surface, lifting away dirt and grime without heavy scrubbing. Paired with the included brush, designed for tackling stubborn dirt, it makes car washing easier and more efficient, giving you that showroom shine without the hassle. One of the most convenient features of the LawnMaster LT 506 is its extended reach, thanks to the 20-foot high-pressure hose and 35-foot power cord. You get a pressure washer, a spray gun, a 20-foot hose, a garden hose connector, a turbo lance, a 20-ounce foam bottle, a hub brush, and a tip cleaner. Commowner 6162 electric pressure washer boasts impressive features, starting with its upgraded metal garden hose connector and metal water outlet, which ensure a reliable, leak-free connection. With a 33-foot high-pressure hose equipped with metal fittings, you can avoid water leakage, making your cleaning process smoother and more effective. With a pressure of 4,200 psi and a flow rate of 4 gallons per minute, you can handle even the dirtiest of jobs with ease. Comes with 4 different nozzles, allowing you to switch between concentrated and fan spray modes. This flexibility means you can adjust the water pressure to suit whatever surface you're cleaning, whether you need a high-pressure stream for tough grime or a gentle spray for delicate areas. The Commowner 6162 has you covered. The included soap bottle makes it easy to apply cleaning solutions, helping you tackle stubborn stains more effectively. For your peace of mind, it comes with a 3-year warranty. The Commowner 6162 also stands out for its excellent customer support and warranty. With a 3-year warranty and professional after-sales service available 24 hours a day, you can have peace of mind knowing that you're covered if anything goes wrong. And that concludes our rundown of the best electric pressure washers of 2025, whether you're looking for high-powered cleaning with the HONGDONG, the efficient and compact EVEAGE 701B, or the all-around performance of the PowRyte. There's something for everyone. If you're ready to make cleaning easier and more efficient, check out the links in the description for more details. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates. Which pressure washer is your top pick for 2025? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you next.